Do you have your priorities straight? Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm going to spend the next few videos talking about DIY website design and why, as a business owner, that's a bad idea. So, the first reason that designing your own website is a bad idea as a business owner is that's the wrong priority for you. So, if you've got a brick and mortar location, you didn't build the building yourself, you didn't plumb the building yourself, you didn't do the electric work yourself, you didn't do the finish work yourself, you don't do those things yourself. It's the wrong priority. You need to be focused on running your business and taking care of your customers and managing staff and inventory and things like that. Not sitting in front of a computer trying to come up with a website design on a DIY website platform. That's a wrong priority for you. There are way more productive things you can do in your business than sitting there trying to figure out website design in an effective manner. So just don't do it. You're going to waste a lot of time for a site that's just not going to deliver for you. So hire somebody. Hire a professional and let them spend that time doing it. It's a one-time cost. That's it. Regardless of what website type of thing you go with, whether you're doing it yourself or you're having a pro design it, you're going to have follow-up costs and the hosting and maintenance and all that kind of stuff. So that's a wash. It's a one-time cost to have that thing designed, and it's a way better use of your time to hire it out than to sit there forever doing it yourself. Just don't do it. Do things that are you're better suited for in running your business. That's why you started that business in the first place. You didn't start your business to design websites, so don't do it. Okay? All right. So think about that, and I'll talk about some more DIY website stuff on the next video. See ya. I'm out.